So myself Ashish Verma and she's Swati. We have been in Hyderabad for close to 6 years now, and we bought our flat in June 2021. So Livspace has designed the whole modulars. Designer helped me in selecting the other parts, which is like a custom work of how my entertainment table will look like, how my living room looks like. So all these things are suggested by that designer, which we got from Livspace. The designer which we got assigned from Livspace was Kanu Priya. The things which she suggested me to do inside your home, like the paintings, wall art, how you design your balcony. This vanity unit, I can see like that is the perfect one which she has designed it like. The grass, I did not told her to put it. She suggested me that if you put the grass and your whole wooden material is having a wooden texture, right? Your entertainment, your rafters and your dining area, everything is having a wooden texture. So just go with the grass color or something like that. So the balcony and the vanity unit is the first thing which I liked.
She designed our balcony also. It's very pretty, it's very beautiful. Whenever I just go into my balcony, it's just like a perfect place for me. This area, this entertainment table and all, color of sofa.
Yeah, the fabric colors and all those stuff. So we just changed it. Every design, every material, based on our budget and based on her experience, like which material is suggestible in the dining, which is suggestible in the kitchen area,
even
colors and all those stuffs, arts and all. How this whole flat which you are seeing right now is being designed by her. From color to material, everything is designed by her. So we just liked it. That is all I can say about this.
Loved it.